Hello everyone, and welcome back to our MySQL Beginner to Pro series. In today's video, we'll learn how to use the alter table command in MySQL to modify the structure of an existing table. We'll cover how to add new columns, modify existing columns, and delete columns with practical examples. So let's get started. Pinpoint. What is alter table? The alter table command allows us to change the structure of a table after it has been created. You can use it to add new columns, modify existing columns, delete or drop columns, and even rename tables or columns. Pinpoint. Syntax for alter table. Let's quickly look at the syntax. To add a new column, alter table, table name, add, column name, data type. To modify a column, alter table, table name, modify, column name, new data type. To drop a column, alter table, table name, drop column name.
Example: add a new column called Email in the Students table. Query: alter table students, add email varchar 100. Result: a new column named Email has been added. Pro tip: always check your table structure after using alter table with DESC students. Pinpoint example: modify a column. Now let's change the data type of the email column from varchar 100 to varchar 150. Query: alter table students, modify email varchar 150. Result: column data type updated successfully. Pinpoint example: drop a column. Suppose we don't need the email column anymore. We can delete it using the drop column command. Query: alter table students, drop column email. Result: email column removed successfully. Common mistakes: forgetting to specify the data type when adding a new column, trying to drop a column that doesn't exist, modifying a primary key or foreign key column without handling constraints first. Pro tip: use DESC table name before and after altering a table to verify your changes. Interview questions. Some important interview questions from this topic. What is the use of alter table command? Can you add multiple columns in a single query? How to rename a table using alter? Can you drop a primary key column directly? What's next? And that's it for this video. In the next tutorial, we'll cover aggregate functions in MySQL, like sum, average, count, max, and min with practical examples. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical MySQL tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.